Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a non-working speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S22. If the speakers on your phone are not working and you're not getting any sound out of them, I'm going to show you a few things you can do to try and fix that. First thing we're going to do is check the volume levels. If we click on the volume up or volume down key, this little bar will open up. If you click on the three dots on the bar, we're going to see this menu right here. This is the volume mixer, and it allows us to change the different types of sounds on our phone, like ringtone, media, notification, system, and the AI assistant. Just make sure to turn all of them up to see if that was the issue and some sounds were just muted. Turn them all the way up and then check the sound again. The next thing we can try is cleaning the speaker grills right here, the one on the bottom and this little slit on the top. We can clean them with a non-metallic soft brush to get all the dirt out. Once you've done that, check the audio again. Next, we can try disabling Bluetooth to ensure the audio isn't rerouted to a different device. To do that, open up the control panel and click on the Bluetooth icon so that it turns gray, which means it's disabled. Now that it's turned off, the sound isn't going to get rerouted to a different device you might have connected previously. Just check if the volume is on now. The next thing we can try is testing the phone in safe mode to rule out app interference. Safe mode disables the third-party apps on your phone like the DJI app, Firefox, Brave, and all the apps you've installed from the Play Store. To enable safe mode, open up the control panel, click on the power icon, hold on the power off icon, and then hit safe mode. Once it's in safe mode, check the volume again. If it does work in safe mode, then the issue is in one of the third-party apps you have installed. You can get out of safe mode by restarting the phone normally. Once you're back, just find the app that is causing interference and deal with it. The last thing we can try is updating the phone's software. Open up Settings, scroll down to Software Update, click Download and Install, and it's going to check if you have any update available. If you don't, you can skip this step. But if you do, just click Install Now and go through the download setup process. Once you're done, your phone will restart and maybe your issue will be fixed. That is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.